Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a drone video covering the ICC. So ICC simply means International Conference Center, and this is one of those conference centers in the city of Enugu that were used for the NBA annual conference meeting. So NBA simply means Nigerian Bar Association conference meeting. So the meeting was held in the city of Enugu 2025, that was last year, and the ICC happened to be one of those conference centers that were used for the meeting. So this drone video basically covers the ICC, that's the International Conference Center, the ICC shopping mall, the ICC hotel, which is still under construction. So the International Conference Center is a 5,000 capacity. So like I mentioned, the last year NBA annual conference meeting was held in this place. So stay put and enjoy the rest of the video.